Hello, welcome back to Roops Cuisine. Let's start with our recipe for today. Today we are going to make Pahadi chicken. So let's get started. Take 2 leg pieces and make deep cuts. Marinate chicken with salt and lime juice. Apply ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. This will be first marination. Marinate and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. For second marination, let's make green paste. For green paste, take handful coriander, mint leaves, ginger, garlic, chilies, and grind into fine paste. Add 1 teaspoon haldi to the paste. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon ajwain. 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. 1 teaspoon jeera powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1 cup thick curd. Mix everything together and marinate chicken with this paste. Marinate chicken and refrigerate for an hour. Take a baking tray, place a parchment paper and apply butter or ghee or oil. Apply butter on the chicken leg pieces so that it becomes soft. Apply butter on the leg pieces so that it becomes soft. Place the tray in the OTG for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Check the pieces in between and turn on the other side. Once it is done, remove the tray. Mouth-watering Pahadi chicken is ready. Very soft and juicy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.